many times have you been in bed before sleep, but your brain plays 1,000 movies for you? I wish I didn't say that. What if I mess up tomorrow? What if everyone hates me? This heavy voice in your mind is called overthinking. It's like a prison. It takes your energy and your opportunities. But the good news is, you can control it. Overthinking means your mind keeps thinking about the past or fears the future. The result? Stress, trouble sleeping, and difficulty making decisions. It's like your mind is a car with only gas, but it never moves. In this video, I want to show you how a few simple steps can help you get out of this cycle. Step 1. Be aware of your thoughts. The first step is to notice when you are overthinking. When your mind starts reviewing the past or worrying about the future, tell yourself, okay, this is just a thought. It's not reality. Being aware gives you control. Step 2. Write it down. The brain is not a storage place. When your mind is full, write everything down. Writing is like emptying your phone's memory. Your mind feels lighter and doesn't need to repeat things all the time. Step 3. Limit your thinking time. Instead of giving your whole day to your mind, set a specific time. For example, I will think about my worries for only 15 minutes in the evening. This helps your thoughts not take over your whole day. Step 4. Take action. Overthinking often happens because we don't act. Your mind wants to find all the answers in advance, but real answers come from action. Instead of thinking about 100 scenarios, take one small step, even a very small one. Step 5. Focus on the present moment. Focusing on the present moment is the best antidote to overthinking. A deep breath, a glass of water, or looking around. These simple actions bring your mind back to the here and now. So remember these 5 steps to manage overthinking. Be aware of your thoughts, write them down, limit your thinking time, take action, focus on the present moment. Remember, overthinking is the enemy of action. When you take action, your mind no longer has the power to trap you. Now it's your turn. What do you overthink about the most? Share your experience in the comments. Maybe someone else has the same problem. And if you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to see more videos.